Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to non-activate a sidebar on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm going to show you on my sidebar there are tools and an application that I have customized before like this. And this is the sidebar button. It has helped me and help us to simpler to open any tools or application that we customize. For example, here I'm gonna open the calculator right here. We cannot have to go to the tray application to open it. And also here for the screenshot, it's simpler, yeah guys. We just have to tap on this icon. So if you want to non-activate, you just have to go in this settings page, go to the gestures options, and now go to this sidebar options. And after, if you want to non-activate, you just have to tap on the button beside the use sidebar. I'm gonna tap on it, and yeah, now there are no sidebar again in my phone, yeah guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.